Hello, hello Solomon. Hi man, how are you? Yeah. What you had biryani for lunch? Which biryani? Chicken or mutton? Okay. Anyways, I called you because I clear some misunderstanding or something like that way. I'm worried about this AI man. I don't see AI, artificial intelligence. You're you use the AI to make pictures or text or stories or something like that. You use it. I use a lot. See, what I wanted your input on this. You use, na? How much? Okay, that's enough. Okay, okay. Now listen to what I'm saying. Now say you prompt the AI for a picture, like show me a picture of a beautiful house with tiled roof and approach road and all that. Okay, and the AI generates a picture and it shows you a house and all with the tiled roof and all. But at the same time, when typing the prompt, you would have imagined a house. Wait, listen to what I'm saying. uh, when you type the prompt, there must be some house in your imagination and all that. And then when the AI comes up with a picture of your what you have described, you don't feel conflict between your imagination and what the picture is. To accept either of the two, there must be some friction, no? Like either you will say that the AI picture is insufficient, or you will want to put the get the house which is in your brain imagination onto the screen. So you have to refine the prompter. That's what you're saying. But what if I'm not able to get what's in my imagination onto the screen? I'm not a good artist and all. I can't sit and paint it or something. So that will remain in my forever. You you didn't think about this. Okay, forget picture. What about text? Suppose I want to write a poem, and then I try to write a poem, and it's a decent poem. But then when I prompt the AI to write a similar poem, the AI prompts a different poem, maybe good, bad, or ugly, different from mine. Then I'm wondering, I this is this poem and the poem which I have written. If the, means obviously it'll be different, then I'll start doubting my own ability whether I have done justice to the prompt, whatever whether, to whatever I set out to do, or whether that thing is supposed to be done in that manner only is done, or a different AI has done something else. See, wait, let me tell. Listen again. Suppose earlier we used to write stuff to express what we mean, and we used to use words. And to now, suppose we write something and then we use AI to write that thing or refine it, and there are some has some uh, someone has taught it something or something like that way, it outputs something else, and then we begin to doubt our own expression. You're getting what I'm saying, no? What you're free or no now to listen to talk about this AI thing? It doesn't affect you that much. You're not bothered. Oh, in your job, what in ticketing job it doesn't affect. It must affect, no? What about advertising and marketing? What I said, no? Like output versus your own imagination. You start doubting your own worldview then. Okay, anyways, you think about this and let me know send me a voice note or something like that way, or what your thoughts are. Okay? Thanks for listening. Bye bye. Bye.